My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Resq100. Resq100 is the ransomware that may damage the files essentially. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Resq100 ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So then users realize that they can no longer access their data. The files are appended with this additional extension Resq100, and it's not possible to open these files anymore. The ransomware then drops a special ransom note titled as Rescue Recovery. The note indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So if you pay the ransom, you may waste your money. Don't waste it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start investigating the system. Initially, the program will be in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button, and then the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is provided with anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. This feature, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to detect this ransomware. It helps to remove this ransomware. But, as I said, this feature does not decrypt files. The scanning itself depends on various factors. It may depend, for instance, on how infected the system is. It may depend on how powerful your computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium, and this will help you to always get your data protected. And speaking about file recovery, you may find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.